Owning a piece of land that you can call your own is more than just a dream. It's about creating a legacy for generations to come.
As you stand on your land, the world unfolds before you in a breathtaking panorama. The horizon stretches out in a symphony of colors, the sky blending seamlessly. A gentle breeze whispers through the trees. In this moment, a profound sense of belonging washes over you as the land itself has welcomed you home.
Whether you're imagining an equestrian homestead, a multi-generational home site, or a spot to build your business, we are excited to collaborate with you to bring your dreams to reality.
We're proud to partner with a wide variety of talented builders to bring this special opportunity to you. Our custom builder is known for turning ideas into real, livable spaces. With over 15 different floor plans ranging from 1,500 to 4,000 square feet, each one is designed with today's lifestyle in mind.
Most of these custom-built homes feature first-floor primary bedrooms and modern upgrades like barn doors and craftsman-style touches. Standard finishes include granite countertops, soft-close cabinets, and much, much more. Every detail is considered, with our builders focusing on what matters most to you. With 20 home sites, offers a multitude of lot sizes starting at 1 acre, with over 10 home sites spanning 10 acres or more. You can enjoy the quiet, peaceful life of the countryside with all the conveniences of the city within reach.
Here, beneath the boundless sky, surrounded by nature's beauty, you'll feel a certainty you found your perfect place.
Whatever your vision, we're here to make it happen.